Hey, what's up everyone? Cameron here. Today I'm coming to you guys with another video on how to draw the human nose. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way that I can. Feel free to pause the video at any time if I happen to go too fast. I hope this video tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see a video on. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And now let's get started. So firstly, we want to start with 3 circles. This is basically going to be like our template for when we draw the nose. And make sure each one is kind of like overlapping slightly, as far as like the side circles. And then this is going to be pretty much like underneath the apex of the nose. Like below the nose pretty much. It's kind of like our reference line, in other words. And then I'm going to draw the nostrils in both sides. I believe it's called the anterior nares for as far as like the nostrils. And this part, the line I'm drawing in right now is basically, I believe it's called the ala nazi. It's those the bumps on the side of the nose, basically. And as far as shadow, you never want to like define shadow with like lines. It's usually better to just define it with like more like cross hatching if possible. This is pretty much the flat surface of the nose. So, because think of it this way, as far as like the nose being really pointed, it's giving that illusion that it's kind of like 3-dimensional, if that makes sense. So the shadows underneath the apex is basically just giving that illusion of it kind of popping up. So drawing in the philtrum. So as I did like in the last video with the eyes, pretty much just merging the shadow together rather than drawing lines or outlining. So that was the front view. Now we're gonna head on to the quarter view. Pretty much do the same steps. This one's gonna be a little different, but you want to do 2 circles, and then the third one I don't think I did it here, but the third one was gonna be, you want to draw it as if it's like an oval shape on the other side. It should be coming up, but yeah, I forgot to put that in there. So this is the nostril. There's the third circle. So basically you just want to draw that as the oval, because that's you won't see the whole side of that ala nares. So, and then I'm drawing in the bump of the nose, the apex. bridge. Always start lightly when you're starting off as well. Then you can go back and draw in the necessary lines needed for it to, like, far as like when you want to define a certain area, like right here, far as like the ala. And then drawing in some cast shadow underneath. Inner crease of the cheek. Now we're going in with the philtrum again. Then we're drawing in the shadow for the apex. Usually the first, like the apex's shadow, it's usually the darkest in the middle. So it's kind of like a transition. As it gets lower to the philtrum, it'll transition to lighter and then back to dark again once it gets to the philtrum on the bottom. Now we're gonna do a side view. So again, you want to start with a circle. And then as far as like this view, you don't want to overlap the circles this time. So just want to draw like slightly further apart. So. And you'll see sometimes I'll do reference points as well, just to know where I'm gonna draw each line or connect each line, you know. And you'll see in a minute why I do that. So that's the nostril points. And then again, going underneath the ala nazi. Drawing the apex. Up towards the bridge. Giving up some cast shadow for the apex once again. And you can see the just by using the circle method, I would say it's pretty powerful, and it saves you time. For it's like getting the structure, the nose fully down, you know. And yeah. That's our video. Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to give some bonus footage of just me demonstrating how you can play around with different shapes when it comes to the nose. And yeah, I just think this is a great method when it comes to just using simple forms. And you're able to get the nose down as quick as possible too. But I hope this method has helped you, and enjoy the video. Take care.